How to use. How often does the Xlure MST have to be monitored? This depends on personal preference and the size of the issue. However, it is suggested to monitor the trap every week to see the results. How often do you have to change the refills? It depends on the problem area and how many insects have been captured. However, each refill is effective for up to 2 months. What is the enclosed oil packet for? The oil packet is to be used when the trap operator thinks that the attractants are dry. Using the whole oil packet will make sure the attractants inside are moist and effective to ensure constant insect capturing. How far apart should the Xlure MST traps be put? 8 to 10 meter intervals, depending on the size of the problem area. Attention needs to be paid to areas close to machinery, particularly those producing food waste, next to conveyor belts, underneath silos, and close to commodity storage areas. Where to use. Xlure MST is used in food handling facilities such as food manufacturers, storage areas, distribution areas, and retail stores that handle dried food and domestic properties. This includes stored food areas that have grains, rice, coffee, and other types of commodities.